items are paper foam,
scissors, any kind of scissors you want,
a pen and pencil,
plastic bottles,
rulers.
hot glue.
We cut the papers, and now we're going to trace the bottom of the baskets onto the foam paper. And then we take this off and we cut it. Now let's see, -5. Yeah. Perfect. Now we glue the bottom to the bottom of the bottle. And now I'm going to stick it to the bottle before it dries off, because it dries quickly. Then we stick it on to this one. Okay, so we got the foam paper. We're gonna let our Easter baskets dry, and we're going to make some flowers.
Of course, then I won't forget the flowers because I have the scissors.
Well, first you need to draw the flowers.
Draw
flowers.
this.
Oh wait, wait.
Now we do the dots. Woo! 2.
Then, wait.
1 dot done. This, you go very carefully, just 1 little dot, and then you stick it on the middle. And then you take this, the glue stick again, and you stick it on. Now we're going to do the handles,
And all you need is a strip of foam. This is what it might look like if you wanted to copy Kira's old pie.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification